Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is the low mileage 2015 Chrysler 300C all-wheel drive, stock number E2194P. Only 28,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Granite Crystal Metallic in color. You do receive Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler's exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. Seats 5, leather interior. Rear outboard seats are also heated. Split seat back fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And not only low miles, but very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This 300C has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel and put you in that perfect driving position. Oversized moonroof. Large, easy to read ice blue gauges with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Wood and leather wrap steering wheel, which is heated. Cruise control. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, as well as ventilated seats keep you comfortable no matter what time of year, along with dual zone automatic temperature control, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And this is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. 8-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's material. Auto dimming mirror. Home link transmitter for garage door opener. Power moonroof and power sunshade control. Under the hood, this 300 has a 3.6 liter V6, 292 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a full-size all-wheel drive sedan. EPA average of 18 miles per gallon and the city average of 27 on the highway. And approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more information on this 300, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.